everybody, welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna finish, filter, and bottle our maple syrup. So we've been able to get 3 runs, and the weather has gotten really warm the last few days, but it's supposed to get bad again and nice and cold. I don't know if we'll get another run or not, but in case we do, I'm gonna go around and empty these buckets and get all the old sap out of them. So the good news is there hasn't been any buds popping out on these trees yet. You'll see the ants just, they get into these, and you know, you can't really avoid it. They find their way in. And both of them decided they wanted to come out today for this. So this is just some crazy March weather. They say in like a lion, out like a lamb. But anyways, that's not the best smelling stuff. It's not cloudy either, which is a good sign, but we're gonna dispose of anything that might be in here. Prince. Hi. Cupcake. Hello. Well, where are we off to, Prince? You want to go finish this syrup? So you want to have everything in place. You got the unfortunate news, the weather forecast changed. So when you're doing this, you know, you want to have everything in place, ready to go. You can't afford to like mess up, and you need to be on it, otherwise it'll boil over and you'll be having rock candy instead. So I'm talking about, see how that boiled all the way up? It'll boil all the way over. So you just kind of gotta keep your eye on it. I lowered the flame, and I think we got it to simmer down a little bit. But I'd say it'd be about an hour before it's actually ready. So I'm gonna lower this temp a little more. Rain or shine, what better way to kill time while this is finishing up? And they're gonna keep testing it, and I think we gotta be about there right about now. And let's see what we have. It's time. Anyways, I got the filter. I got the sawhorses. So we're gonna run this filter. We're ultimately going to run these through the loops. And give this a steady foundation to lay on. These are better than the broom handles I was using because they actually fit much better. Just center it right in the center of the bucket. Make sure it goes in. You don't want it collapsing on you. It might be too much weight. Go slow and easy, and it's gonna hold. It will take this, so we'll let it do its thing and filter. It's pure maple syrup coming out of there. So it's starting to slow down. Don't force it through. This is very important. But I have this nice whisk here, and you just want to agitate it, keep it moving. All right, so it's been quite a few years since I've made waffles. I think 7 years ago I bought this little waffle maker right here. Anyways, we're just gonna do a simple waffle here. Nothing too crazy. So, you know, you want about 1/4 of a cup of oil. Probably a cup and a half of milk we'll go with. And I got some eggs here. I got 2 eggs we'll put in there, hopefully. Okay, and then beat those up. I want a complete liquid here, just like that. And then I have 2 cups of this pancake and waffle mix. We'll slowly add it in there. Okay. I think we got ourselves a pretty good batter here for waffles. All right, so our level is medium. And I got this shortening we'll put in there and help pull the waffle out when it's time. All right, so we'll go ahead and put some waffles in there, some waffle batter. We'll put this waffle batter in there. I don't know why I can't talk tonight. So anyways, smooth that out. Close the lid. And we'll see these things. We'll see how long they take. There we have it. All right. Turn that one upside down. No one will know, right? We got about a gallon of syrup here, filtered. The rest is just taking its time. And I usually just don't really care if it's, you know, struggling to get through. I'll put it in an open bottle and I'll consume it throughout the year. So we'll turn our fan on low and then we'll turn our heat up. So we just want to boil this and then we're going to put it into bottles. Put your cap on, screw it on nice and tight, just the top part, don't squeeze the rim piece in. Turn it clockwise all the way over, flip it upside down, and let it chill. I have an exhausted kitty in my chair with me. I'm exhausted too. It's been a long day here. We got it all done though. We got about a gallon. So those bottles will be chilling and we'll let them seal, flip them back over, give them a wipe, and we'll be good to go. Also check out our Maple playlist on the channel. It's a mix of long and short form videos. And if you enjoyed this, also please hit that subscribe button so we can build this up some more. And thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.